So over the weekend, we had quite a bit of rain here in South Florida. Rain is not uncommon, but when it does happen like this, it always creates interesting times, especially around my pond in my backyard. If you look, there's like a lot of water that comes off of the roof. You see me with the umbrella. I mean, it was pouring the entire day. And there's no better water to refill your pond than rainwater. It's free and it's clean. So it runs off our roof back here quite a bit. I just catch it in a container and fill up the pond if it's low. As wet as it seems, a couple hours from there, it could be hot and sunny. So we catch the water and save it as best we could. This area here also is also a lot of runoff from the roof. So I'm thinking this is the first time I did this actually. Let me get this container that we have and maybe I can use it and get some additional water to water the garden, fill up the ponds or whatever. So this is me fiddling, trying to drag it with the camera in one hand and the umbrella in the same hand. Finally logging with it all the way to the other end. And right in that spot is where I need it. Generally, I don't really care if I get wet, but this water was so cold because it seems there was some type of cold front coming at the same time. I had actually intended to clean the filtration system on the pond this weekend, but it was a total washout. I couldn't do anything outside. So I'm here, I have this container, and it's actually a valve to the bottom that's busted, so the water would be leaking out. So I just took this plastic bag, wrapped it up, and just pushed it in the hole and twisted it. And that actually helped stop the water from running out. Back to the initial runoff. This is where actually most of the water comes off. Those lemon trees are doing really good. I'm gonna have to put them in the ground really soon. And this is how the pond looks again. All the leaves falling on top of the net that I have. But the fishes are doing really good. I think they'll love the rain hitting the surface of the water. And this was just maybe after maybe less than 3 hours, and that is how much water I got running from that one little corner. That much. just non-stop. That's my neighbor's pool. Man, it's just a beautiful sight. I know it's kind of gloomy, but I love seeing it. This is actually the front, a little 30-gallon pond that I have some guppies, and it was raining. They were actually hidden. They're hiding under this wood I have covering half of the pond, but didn't seem to bother them too much. Yep, water all day. So that's about it. That's a quick video showing you the rain that we had here in South Florida. Didn't bother me too much. Definitely didn't bother the fishes. Until next time, peace out.